Morning, afternoon, and night, it's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
Hello everyone, I am Storm Team Meteorologist Jacob Woods. It is Wednesday evening, April 2nd. We're talking about record heat here at the start of April. Upper 80s, you felt that today. Some places flirting with 90 degrees. If they didn't hit it today, they might have a good chance of doing that tomorrow or Friday. And as we go into Thursday through Saturday, there is a very low wind threat for severe weather, mainly over northwestern Alabama, if we can get the graphics here. Now, this is not including the rest of the area. Birmingham, Tuscaloosa area, Interstate 20 corridor, you guys are certainly fine. Just the tiniest little threat that maybe Lamar, Marion, Winston, Fayette counties could potentially see a rogue severe thunderstorm warning Thursday afternoon through Saturday afternoon. Once we get into Saturday night and Sunday morning, the first half of our Sunday, that's when we're going to be weather aware for the risk of strong to severe storms that are going to be forming along a cold front. But first, we got to get through this heat. We're talking about record highs today, tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. 4 days in a row, temperatures in the upper 80s. Again, some places possibly hitting 90 degrees for the first time this year. It's all thanks to this big, broad area of sinking pressure underneath a ridge of high pressure off the southeast, and that's keeping a lot of the storms and that southwest flow aloft, well off to our west, which means that our weather pattern is fairly quiet, but it's very busy in between that trough and the ridge over the mid-south. They have that high risk, level 5 out of 5, like we had a few weeks ago for severe threats tonight, and then tomorrow, a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk for Memphis back over to Little Rock, Arkansas. But our threat for severe weather is going to hold off until late Saturday into early Sunday, and this is where the Storm Prediction Center has outlined most of central Alabama for Saturday night and the rest of us for Sunday morning in that level 2 out of 5 slight risk for severe storms. And so what does that mean for you? It means that damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour, a few tornadoes are possible, and up to quarter-size hail. But of course, this is a very traditional severe weather threat for us. This does not look to be very significant at all. Futurecast shows that busy weather pattern off to our northwest through the upcoming weekend. Eventually, that ridge over the southeast will break down, and that line of storms will form along a cold front, and it'll sweep towards the east, and that'll arrive by really Sunday morning. It looks like the bulk of it's going to be out of here by the afternoon on Sunday, so that is going to be good for any of you that may have some plans Sunday afternoon. And Saturday morning looks to be dry as well. So here's that Storm Team 7-day forecast. Again, very hot and warm through Saturday for this time of the year. Then we're back into the upper 50s, lower 60s for the start of our new work week, so definitely turning cold. Even some places in northern Alabama getting back into seeing some frost by next Tuesday morning.